Guess who it is? Miho! That's right, we got Chris Crocker t-shirts in the building. That's right, Chris Crocker t-shirts out now. Y'all been demanding it, y'all been asking for it, y'all screaming from the rooftops, y'all wrote to me, y'all told everybody, you want a Chris Crocker t-shirt. Hey, I got a Chris Crocker t-shirt. That's right, I'm the coolest kid in school. I got a Chris Crocker t-shirt. I'm the coolest person at work. I got a Chris Crocker t-shirt. I'm the coolest person at church. That's right, y'all. That's what it do. That's how it been. Chris Crocker t-shirts out now. We got all kinds of shirts. We got hoodies. We got shirts. We got shorts that say eat my cornhole. We doing what it do. Big things in oh way. Buy your Chris Crocker t-shirt now at districtlines.com/Chris Crocker. Y'all been demanding it. Y'all been wanting it. Y'all been asking for it. Y'all say y'all will work. Y'all say y'all will do anything for a Chris Crocker t-shirt. So that's what it do. We got all kinds of Chris Crocker t-shirts. We got a shirt now that says "Calm is thicker than blood." We got hair flip shirts. We got one I got on right now that say "Leave Chris Crocker alone." We got all the shirts in the world. We got a shirt that says "I see straight people." You know, like in the Sixth Sense, they say "I see dead people." Bitch, I see straight people, and I ain't liking it. So rep that, buy that, cop that. We got another one for all the luscious, conceited people out there that says "I make out with my mirror," la la la, because you know we luscious. We doing what it do. So anyway, buy your Chris Crocker t-shirt if you really poppin', if you really doing what it's do. You got the shirt, pimp that shit, roll that shit. What? Let them know that you the coolest cat on the streets. Oh, and another thing, you know what? Go steal your mama's credit card. Do what you got to do. I ain't gonna tell nobody. But if you want me to talk her into buying it, go get her right now. I have a word with mom. Go get her. You there, Mom? Your son or daughter wants a Chris Crocker t-shirt. What you gonna do about it? Type in that credit card number unless you want your kid to be a hooker so that they can pay for my shirt. You don't want your kid sleeping around so they can pay for my shirt, do you know? So type in that credit card, ho. districtlines.com/Chris Crocker. I'll put a link to my store in the video description so you can buy that, cop that, do what it do. And there's a banner on my page to my online store on my MySpace page. Buy that right now if you really was poppin'. Don't call yourself a fan unless you got a shirt.